Hello students, hopefully that you solve the 10 gram puzzles and easily you can understood how to identify the shape, and second thing, how to make a 1 10 gram shape using of the 10 gram sorry 1 10 gram object using all the 10 gram puzzle. Okay, so we can easily learn that how to use 10 gram, how to make the 10 gram shape. If you are not able to go to the shop, and if you are not if you have a simple paper, then you are easily make the 10 gram shapes, 7 shapes, and easily you can find out the things also. Even I just hope that you do the practice of the 10 gram puzzle, just because in the exam what will be happen, one object shape will be given to you and asking that you have to find out the 7 shapes from that. Okay, so now write down, we are going for the next topic, that is name the map. Okay, next topic name is map. Okay, so have you heard the word map? मैप का मतलब क्या होता है? आपने कभी सुना हो, कहीं पे देखा हो कि मैप क्या है? सिंपली मैप का मतलब एक ही चीज होता है, यू कैन फाइंड आउट द एनी अदर थिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फ्रॉम योर होम इफ यू वांट टू गो फ्रॉम टू योर स्कूल, then easily the way that is used to reach from your home to the school, that is called the one of the map. अगर आप गूगल पे सर्च करोगे, कहीं पे आपको जाना हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू वांट टू गो एट योर नेटिव प्लेस, यू वांट टू गो एट योर विलेज, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट शुड यू डू? यू कैन फाइंड आउट दैट थिंग इजीली बाय यूजिंग ऑफ द मैप. अगर आपको उसका रास्ता पता नहीं है, आपको कोई नई जगह पे जाना हो या फिर कोई ऐसी जगह पे जाना हो जिसका रास्ता ऐसा है जो आपको याद नहीं रहता, तब आप यूज करते हो मैप का. राइट, सो मैप इज यूज टू फाइंड आउट द वे. आपको कहाँ पे जाना है, किस तरह से जाना है. अगर आपने गलत रास्ता ले लिया तो फिर भी वो दिखाएगा. Nowadays the most popular application for the mapping is the Google Map. By default वो हमारे फोन में भी आता है, just because it's application of the Google. Right, that will be help you to find out the way. So now we are going to find out that way of the from one place to other place. For example, I am asking to you from the school, whenever you go to, when we are go to on the road, हम हमारे स्कूल से बाहर रोड पे आएंगे and we are going to the right side straight forward, what will become? Some students say the other place, some students say the other place. I am telling that I show the Reliance Mall. Right, I can see the Reliance Mall whenever I take this straight forward. मैं जितना स्ट्रेट जाऊंगी तो लास्ट स्ट्रेट स्टॉप आएगा रिलायंस मॉल, वो सामने ही दिखता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम आस्किंग दैट what is the way to come from Reliance Mall to Podar International School? So you can say that, ma'am, we have to become straight forward, then we have to take a left turn, then our school will be come. So this is the way, means you know what is the way, or you can find out the way from the school to the home also. That is called the map. Okay, before the starting the map, I want to just revise you some of the topic that you already learned in the previous year in the EVS. Okay, so that is the directions. For example, as you know, where sun rise, it is called the east. Sun always rise in the east, and the opposite side is the west. East, west. For example, when you wake up in the morning and you can see that sunrise where your face, आपके face के सामने ही sunrise हो रहा है, right? Then you can sit on the east side. आप कहाँ पे हो? East side पे बैठे हो, and your head will be on the west side. So you can easily find out east, west. Right? So for example, this is the sun. Right? So this is the east. Opposite of जहाँ पे sunrise होगा, east, west, or you can write down the top also. Sorry. For example, this is the east. Here I can show that sun will be rised here. right? So you can find out the east easily. If you find out the east, you know that west is the totally opposite of the east. Sunrise means the east, sun set up means the west. Rise on the east and set up on the west. East, west. How can you find out the north and the south? For example, you have to stand on the, this is my east side, on the backward, that is my west side. East, west, and when you stand, just stay on the side of the east, your face will be on the east side, and toward your both hands, left side will be north and the right side will be your south. Left, north, right, south. So this is the north, this is the south. Okay, so directions are used in the map to find out the way. For example, I am asking you that you have to find out how can you reach from school to your home. You can say that, ma'am, I am just I am going to the school. This is our school. And okay, I am taking the example of the Reliance Mall. This is the school, and here will be sunrise. This is the east, this is the west. As a direction right. So you have to tell me, ma'am, we have to go from west to the school to the road. रोड तक हमें वेस्ट साइड पे जाना है. Then we have to go towards to the north side, right? And you can find out the Reliance Mall. Okay, I'm just writing again. So I'm writing here east, west, north and the south. These are the directions. Okay. So this is our school. I have to go from school, our school, पोदार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, to महावीर नगर सर्कल. मुझे स्कूल से महावीर नगर सर्कल तक जाना है, तो मैं कैसे जाऊंगी? So in that condition, you have to check the directions. First of all, you have to come out from the school and you have to go on the west side of the school. This is the west side of the school. Go some steps forward on the west side of the school. Then take a turn on the north side. Take a turn on the north side. There will be, you can find out the Reliance Mall. Then you have to take a turn on the west side and you can find out the Mahavir Nagar Circle. Okay, so you have to write down like this. Go to the west, then go to the north, then go to the west. Okay, like this. For example, I have to go Bedna village. And that condition, what should I have to do? Take the same thing. Go to the west side of the school, then go to the south side from the school, right? And go to straight forward. You can find out the Bedna village. Here. I am taking the example of the school just because you can easily find out from the school. या फिर आप अपने घर का भी एग्जाम्पल देख के सोच सकते हो कि अगर मुझे यहाँ से अपने घर से रिलायंस मॉल जाना हो या फिर आपके एरिया में कोई फेमस मॉल हो या फिर शॉप हो जो आपको बहुत पसंद हो और यू कैन फाइंड आउट द वे ऑफ द टू गो हाउ कैन यू कैन गो टू द स्कूल you can use the different ways for that. I'm sorry for this. So on this using of that, in the next topic the map will be given to. आपको पूरा map दिया जाएगा, उसमें से आपको find करना है कि आपको ऐसे ही पूछा जाएगा कि for example how can you go to school to Mahavinagar Circle, then you have to explain everything. You have to go to the west, then take a turn on the north, then take a turn on the west, like this. right? So these are the way. This is called the map, and one map is given to you. From that you have to be find out your native place. Otherwise that will be asking that if I have to go to from school to Berna Road, which turns we have to be take. First turn west and second turn is the south. Okay, one on the page number 115 and 9, 159 and 160. One example of the map is given to you. Try to understand that. If you are not able to understand, then we will explain on the next virtual class. Okay, hopefully that you understand, just because it's too much easy. That will be, you can see that here, that one map is given to you, and find out that house, school, hospital and food court, all things are will be given to here, and you have to find out the way. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस दिए होंगे, उसके बारे में बस आपको क्वेश्चन के आंसर ही देने हैं और कुछ नहीं करना. दैट्स इट. या फिर आपको दूसरा कुछ ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं कि फॉर एग्जांपल if you take a turn from the left to the home, then what will become, that you can find out the food court. I'm just giving the example, do not take it seriously. Okay, so this is called a map, and you have to do it by yourself from the page number 159 and 160. If you are not understood, then you can ask me on the virtual class. Okay, so here I am ending my video.